So I asked AI about a world record, and it gave me an answer that seemed oddly specific. 14 hours, 51 minutes, a guy from Germany. But there was just one small problem. And what happened next turned that mistake into one of my favorite teaching moments ever. We hear it all the time. Be careful with AI, it hallucinates. In other words, it makes stuff up. And while that's true, what if I told you that those made up moments are where the real magic happens? Because when AI gets it wrong, kids lean in. They start asking questions, and suddenly they're thinking critically without even realizing it. Here's a prompt to try with your students. Tell me 3 fake animal facts and 1 real one, but make the fake one sound believable. Let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. So we have owls have blue blood, which helps them see better at night. Elephants can't jump because their knees only bend backwards. A group of flamingo is called flamboyance, and penguins in the Arctic have been known to adopt baby puffins. Your students now have to guess which one is real and prove it. This one prompt can turn into a mini research project, a science discussion, and a critical thinking challenge, all sparked by a blue-blooded owl. Hallucinations aren't just funny, they're fuel for creativity. Here's a fun activity. Ask ChatGPT to invent a fake invention and write a commercial for it. Let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. The Procrastinator 3000? Okay, I like this. I could use this in my life. Challenge your students to turn that Procrastinator 3000 into a poster, a jingle, or a product pitch. They'll end up practicing vocabulary, persuasive writing, and presentation skills without even realizing it. Instead of asking AI for answers, ask it for alternatives. Instead of fearing mistakes, spot them and try to talk about why they're wrong. Try prompts like 3 wrong ways to solve a math problem, 2 terrible metaphors for love, a fake summary of a book your students know. Then challenge your students to catch the errors, explain the logic, and rewrite it better. When we stop fearing AI's mistakes, we start using them on purpose. We teach kids something even more powerful than the right answer: how to think for themselves. If you want the exact prompts I used, grab the free printable in the description. And tell me in the comments, what's the funniest mistake AI has ever made for you?